students, today we are going to start our chapter number 9, rational numbers, class 7. So let's talk about the numbers. You scored 95 marks in English. Number of students in your class. Pizza is given to you and you ate 2 parts out of 6. This pizza is divided into 6 parts. Mother prepared laddus, and how many laddus you eat? 2.5. Number of members in your family. All these are the examples of numbers. So we can say numbers are around us. So let's take the numbers. If a small kid 2 to 3 years and you ask him to count, so in which way he will count? He will count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So the way he counts, he starts counting from 1, that is 1, 2, 3 and so on. All these counting numbers are known as natural numbers, which starts from 1 and goes up to infinite. Now let's take 0 in this natural number. So this new numbers are known as whole numbers. So it starts from 0, goes up to infinite, 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to so on. Let's take one more example. Whole numbers with negative of natural numbers. So the numbers includes whole numbers with negative of all natural numbers is called integer. So the concept of integer is, for example, you have a thermometer and you have to measure the temperature. So take the example, when you have a glass of water and you refrigerate this glass of water, and after some time the water in the glass turns into ice, and if you boil that water it will turn into vapor. So how it is? The meaning is, if temperature is less than the room temperature or 0 degree, then water turns into ice, and when the temperature is more than, that is more than 0 or more than room temperature, we observe that the water boils and turns into vapor. So here it is concept of more than 0 and less than 0. So here from right hand side, 0 to all the numbers, all the whole numbers are the positive numbers, and from left of the 0 all the numbers are negative numbers. So the combination of these varieties of numbers is known as the integer. Now when you run or walk, you tell that I run for 1.5 kilometer. So what is the meaning of this 1.5 kilometer? As in the number line we observe, 1.5 lies between 1 and 2, that is more than 1 but less than 2. So this 1 is the whole part, whereas this 0.5 is half part, and this half part we can write as 1 by 2, or it is a fraction. For example, the cost of pen is 10.75 rupees and weight of the onion is 2.25 kg. Like the numbers written in the form of 10.25, 11.17, 100.50, all these numbers are known as the decimal numbers, which can represent as the fractions also. Now let's take a pizza is there and 12 parts of this pizza, and you ask to eat him. So you take 3 parts out of these 12 parts. So you can say 3 out of 12 I ate, or you can write it as 3 by 12, that is 3 out of 12 you eat, or you can also say 1 by 4 as 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, that is you can say I ate 1 by 4 part of the pizza. Now here the important thing is whole part is given and you only ate 1 by 4 part. So this whole and this is the part. So part of a whole is known as the fraction. Now we have to learn the new concept or new variety of number is natural number in this rational number in this chapter. So let's talk about the rational numbers. So why we need rational numbers? So let us take an example of two boys, Amar and Rocky. Both are given a pizza. A full pizza is given. Amar ate one part only out of these four parts, and Rocky ate whole pizza. Now let's talk about the part of the pizza left with both the boys. Amar left with 3/4 part of the pizza, and Rocky has no part, that is 0 part. Now still Rocky feels hungry, so he asks Aman to give one part of the pizza. When I will have a full pizza, then I will return your part. So what Amar did? Amar give 1/4 part of this pizza, and Rocky eat this 1/4 part, and he will return when he will have the 1/4 part of the pizza to Amar. Now let's talk about after giving 1/4 part of pizza to Rocky, part of pizza left with Amar is 2/4. Still he has 2/4 part. Now in this situation, when Rocky borrow part of 1/4 pizza from the Amar, so in this situation, how many part of pizza Rocky has now? As previously he has full pizza, he ate, so part of the pizza left with him 0. Now when he is borrowing 1/4 part of the pizza and he has to return that part, so the part of the pizza left with him, that is -1/4. Now let's think about this. Is there a fraction which represent -1/4 part? Correct. No. As we know that in the fraction we talk about, as this 2/4, all both the 2 and 4 are the positive numbers. But what about the situation when we have the number with negative sign like this, -1/4 part, which is the left part with Rocky? So when fraction like this which has the negative sign, so this number, this type of fraction is known as the rational number, where one of the number is negative or both the numbers. So the fraction with negative sign is known as the rational number. So now we can define a rational number, that a number in the form of p/q, where p and q both are integers. Now here when we are talking about both are integers, so the number, remember the integers which are whole numbers and negative of the natural numbers also. So when we are talking the p and q are integers, so meaning is p and q both can be negative or either one can be negative, and q not equals to 0 are known as the rational number. So here the examples of rational number we can write: 2/6, -3/10, -2 upon -5. So here there are two types of rational numbers. One is positive rational number and second is negative rational number. Now the examples of positive rational number is 12/36. Example of the negative rational number is -20/40. Now here when we are taking the positive rational number is 12/36. So when we simplify it, we get 1/3. 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36. So 1/3. Now this can be represented as the decimal also. Now here let's talk about the negative rational number, that is -20/40. After simplify this, 0 and 0 will cancel out and 2 divides 4 2 times, so we get -1/2. Now here this 1/3 positive rational number we can write it as 0.3333 and so on. Similarly, this negative rational number -1/2 also we can write as -0.5. So we have the positive rational numbers as well as the negative rational numbers. Now let's take a case when both numerator as well as denominator are negative integers. So what is the meaning of this? Meaning of this is 24 by 6. Now it becomes a positive rational number. How it is? If we divide this minus 24, let's divide this minus 24 by minus 6, so we get minus 6 fours are minus 24 and we get 0. So minus 6 divides minus 24 becomes plus 4. So we have 4 upon 1. Now 4 upon 1 we can write it as 4. Now we can say when the numerator and denominator both has negative sign, still that number is known as the positive rational number. So I hope you will understand and you understand that the concept of rational number.